Hi darlings. Even though you won't find it on a map, the Bermuda Triangle is a very real place. In the past there have been many stories of disappearing ships, planes, and people. Although there is a reasonable explanation for many incidents, some are still a mystery. The Bermuda Triangle is located off the coast of Florida between Miami, Puerto Rico, and the Bermudas. It covers about 500,000 square miles of the Atlantic Ocean. It is also known as the Devil's Triangle because Bermuda was once called Islands of the Devils. The coasts around the island are surrounded by dangerous reefs that ships ran into throughout the centuries. Unusual events around the Bermuda Triangle go back to the voyages of Christopher Columbus. He sometimes reported that compass readings were wrong. Many journalists have tried to prove that a number of accidents and unusual things have happened in the region. Some cases show that there are no explanations for them. One of the best-known incidents is the disappearance of Flight 19 during a training exercise of the U.S. Navy. In December 1945, 5 American bombers left Fort Lauderdale, Florida on a routine mission. 14 crew members disappeared after sending several radio messages. When a rescue plane went to search for the Navy bombers, it also vanished. What went wrong during the mission is not fully known. Compasses showed wrong directions and visibility was bad, so the flight leader decided to navigate by landmarks which he saw below. Then there was a sudden storm and radio contact broke off. Wrecked parts of Flight 19 have never been recovered. Not official. Even though tons of stuff has been written about Bermuda Triangle, it is not an official region recognized by any country. Bermuda Triangle is just a loosely defined region located in western part of North Atlantic Ocean. It is also referred to as Devil's Triangle. Also known as Dragon's Triangle because of ancient legends suggesting dragons living off the coast of Japan. There has been a lot of suspicious activity along this region, like numerous disappearances of ships and planes. In 1952, the Japanese government sent an investigation team of 31 members. Sadly, the whole team including the ship disappeared in the sea, never to be seen again. Another story tells of Kublai Khan's disastrous attempts to invade Japan by crossing the Devil's Sea, losing at least 40,000 men in the process. If you like the video so far, like and subscribe. Thank you. The reasons for the disappearance of Keishi and the plane in the Bermuda Triangle. A magnetic phenomenon in the Bermuda Triangle can also cause people to disappear. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the places on Earth where compasses point to true north, geographical north, instead of magnetic north, moving magnetic north. Some theories suggest that this phenomenon is the reason why some captains and pilots complain about the compass not working properly and heading in the wrong direction. Waterspouts or tornadoes could also be one reason for the mysterious disappearances. Several waterspouts or tornadoes occur in the Bermuda Triangle, and during this phenomenon, water from the ocean rises hundreds or even thousands of feet from the air. In addition to tornadoes, strong water current moving along the edge of the Bermuda Triangle can easily overturn a ship. These waves can be hundreds of feet high and could knock out planes that fly close to the water. Some sci-fi enthusiasts believe that Bermuda Triangle is a wormhole. Some science fiction enthusiasts believe that the Bermuda Triangle is a wormhole, or like a time machine. It connects 2 points in space-time. Though wormholes haven't proven to exist, some people could not avoid associating them with the mysterious disappearance of ships and planes in the Bermuda Triangle. Methane hydrates could be one cause of the disappearance of ships in the Bermuda Triangle. Some researchers believe that the presence of methane hydrates, a form of natural gas, in the ocean could be one cause of the disappearances. Some laboratory experiments proved that bubbles could sink a ship by decreasing water density. Moreover, some studies also show that periodic methane eruption may create bubbling water which cannot provide buoyancy. Strange clouds form above the Bermuda Triangle. Some meteorologists studied the Bermuda Triangle to find the real reason behind all these mysterious stories. They used satellite imagery and saw hexagonal-shaped clouds forming above the Bermuda Triangle. According to meteorologists, these cloud configurations could be the cause of some of the mysteries plaguing the Bermuda Triangle. They're formed by microbursts, blasts of air that come from the bottom of the clouds and hit the ocean, and they create waves that can sometimes be very big once they begin to interact with one another. Meteorologists say these formations have the power to bring down planes and ships. They can reach 170 miles per hour, the equivalent of a Category 5 hurricane. Human error can be a common scenario in the Bermuda Triangle. One of the most common explanations for the unusual disappearance of planes and ships in the Bermuda Triangle is human error. The area has several islands that are difficult to distinguish from another, which may be confusing. Disorientation or confusion of pilots and captains may result in a deadly situation, like running out of fuel before reaching the shore. If you like this video, comment a red heart.